Today we get a lot of patients that present to the practice with severe wear in their teeth. This wear can lead to nerve damage or even cause the fracture of a tooth. The solution for this type of wear is some type of zirconia restoration. Whether it's an onlay, an inlay, or a full crown restoration, the zirconia is a very strong substance and it prevents further damage of this tooth. If we take a look at this example, we can see the severe wear on the patient's teeth. Notice using the zirconia restorations, we're able to rebuild her smile and protect the underlying tooth structure. If we look at the biting surface of another patient, we can see the severe wear in the teeth. What we actually ended up doing was rebuilding the smile of this patient by enhancing the biting forces. In this patient's smile, not only did he have wear and tear, but he also had discolored teeth. Utilizing zirconia restorations, not only did we rebuild his smile, but we also made it much more aesthetic. Have you ever seen people with an unsightly gray line at their old crowns? Well, with zirconia restorations, you'll never get that. Call our office to see what we can do for you. I look forward to seeing you.